taking you through stage by stage how to paint a cow just like this. Now, most people who do this haven't painted since school, and in fact they're quite scared and quite nervous of picking up the brush, knowing what colours to use, knowing what materials to use, and the process in which to approach it. I make that easy and fun, and I give you a chance to personalise it, so you choose your own colours, you add your own wee beasties, your own personalised touches to your painting as well. So your painting is really unique to you. Most people tell me that these cows make them smile, and I kind of want to make you smile as you go through the process of painting your own cow too. It's a work at your own pace course. You can watch all of the videos and do it all in one day if you fancy doing that, or you can chunk it down into different stages over different days, different weeks. And as the course goes live for the first week, I go live every day on Facebook in a closed Facebook group, and I help you through the different stages, sharing extra tips and also answering your questions that you might have. If you fancy joining us for How to Paint a Cow, book online and I will add you to the closed Facebook group, and we'll get started when the next cohort begins.